Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to demonstrate an implementation of speech recognition using Python and Vosk. This video, although short, serves as a demonstration and also a guide for anyone wanting to build the app. Let's get started. Here are the commands to create and activate the Python environment. And here are the commands to install the Python requirements and to inspect the library versions. These are the folders we'll use for our project data and Vosk models, and the file used for our Python code. Vosk language models can be downloaded from alphasci.com. For this project, I'm downloading a small English model. Once downloaded, I uncompressed the archive and moved it to the STT models folder. The code for app.py is available on my website, clemtech.xyz, under the post Vosk Quick Demo. In a moment, we'll inspect the code, but first, let's run a real-time demo. How's this for a quick speech recognition demo? If you followed along in building it, I hope that you had success. Transcription accuracy is impressive. I'm going to stop the app using the voice command stop. Stop. Here's the code in a purpose-built viewer. Feel free to pause the video if the scroll is too fast. I'll start with the process flow. That concludes our demonstration of speech recognition using Python and Vosk. If you followed along in building it, I hope that you had fun in the process. If you are looking to explore a browser-based interface for speech recognition, then check out my video, Build Your Own Speech-to-Text Speech Recognition App using Vosk. See you next time.